At the Sprint Retrospective meeting, the Scrum team identified some improvements that can be done. What should the Scrum team do? Choose one option. Option 1. Make sure the sprint backlog for the next sprint includes all the improvements. Option 2. Make sure the sprint backlog for the next sprint includes at least one high-priority process improvement. Option 3. Assign a responsible team member for at least one improvement and review the progress at the next retrospective. Option 4. Assign responsible team members for every improvement and review the progress at the next retrospective. Option 5. The Scrum team may add improvement items to the sprint backlog for the next sprint if that fits their needs. The correct answer is option 5. By understanding the Scrum principles and fostering a collaborative environment, the Scrum team can determine the best way to address improvement opportunities identified during the Sprint Retrospective. The Sprint Retrospective provides a dedicated forum for the team to identify areas for improvement. The Scrum Guide emphasizes that the Scrum team is self-organizing. They have the autonomy to decide how to address improvement opportunities. Adding them to the sprint backlog is one potential approach, but not the only one. Legacy versions of the Scrum Guide suggested including at least one high-priority improvement in the next sprint backlog. However, real-world situations might require flexibility. The team might choose to address some improvements outside the formal sprint backlog structure, as long as they are implemented effectively. Even if the team decides to add improvements to the sprint backlog, they should carefully consider the priority of these items alongside product backlog items. It's important to maintain a balance between delivering new features and addressing process improvements. Regardless of the chosen approach, the team should ensure transparency about the improvement initiatives. They can track progress and discuss the effectiveness of the implemented changes at future retrospectives.